Greetings, Halloween, October 31st, 2014. I almost said 1987. I was going into a time warp. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 proofs just printed here of my 1974 lino cut print done my first year as a transfer student sophomore at Southern Illinois University at Carbondale School of Art. And the lino is Morris Library Smoking Lounge. Some of these are going off as thank you gifts to some staff at the Morris Library and hopefully at least one work-study student who will do the videoing. I've asked to have done of an etching and aquatint I did of Morris Library in 1976 called Morris Library Reading. I think it was Reading Lounge. There were like stacks, like library stacks that were where the books are, seen in the background of the etching. So anyway, while working on this, I was kind of reminiscing about the old days. Some of my Carbondale SIU classmates will be intrigued. At least 2 of them are still smoking. Several others I'm in contact with have long quit, thankfully, as I did on Halloween Day 1987, 27 years ago. Thanks to that, I saved my life. Otherwise, I think I would be on oxygen by now, or 6 feet under, as they say, or swimming with the sardines and sharks out in the Pacific. So anyway, there you have it. I was also thinking about the trajectories that life takes are so completely unexpected from when one is a kid or teen. If someone had told me when I was 13 or 18 that I would have ended up going to art school in Champaign and Carbondale, Illinois, I would have looked at them as if they were mad. I never heard of those places. Or that I would have become a 3 to 4 pack a day cigarette smoker by the time I was in Carbondale. I took up smoking and had my first cig at Bubby and Zadie's Deli, where I used to hang out. I also worked there for a while in Champaign, Illinois, in 1973. And I was in denial that I was a smoker, certainly in denial that I was addicted, at least into 74. I think sometime in the fall of 74, after I moved to Carbondale, I realized that I was actually a junkie, that I was addicted. And by 1975, certainly by 76, I was smoking 3 to 4 packs a day, which astonishes me now when I think about it. It's just a staggering number of cigs to have ingested all that smoke and poisons and chemicals and stuff. 60 to 80 cigarettes a day. Anyway, there you have it. Morris Library Smoking Lounge, just like I pictured it.